system and circulatory system. How can we take good care of them? And last but not the least, knowing the importance of taking good care of them. What is the respiratory system? Let's go find out. The respiratory system is primarily responsible for gas exchange, taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. It consists of several key parts that work together seamlessly to ensure we can breathe effectively. The key components of the respiratory system include nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, lungs, bronchi and bronchioles, alveoli, and diaphragm. The journey of air begins in the nose and nasal cavity. Here, air is filtered, warmed, and moistened. Tiny hairs called cilia and mucus trap dust and pathogens, helping to protect our lungs. Next, air passes through the pharynx, a shared pathway for both air and food. From there, it moves to the larynx, or voice box, which not only plays a role in sound production but also acts as a protective mechanism to prevent food from entering the airway. The trachea, or windpipe, is a tube that connects the larynx to the bronchi. It is lined with cilia and mucus to keep the airways clear of debris. The trachea is reinforced with cartilage rings to prevent collapse. The lungs are the primary organs of respiration. They are spongy, elastic structures that expand and contract during breathing. The trachea splits into two main bronchi, one for each lung. These bronchi further divide into smaller bronchioles, leading to the alveoli. This branching structure increases surface area for gas exchange. At the end of the bronchioles are tiny air sacs called alveoli. These are where the actual gas exchange occurs. The alveoli are surrounded by capillaries, allowing oxygen to enter the bloodstream and carbon dioxide to be expelled. The diaphragm is a muscle that helps you inhale and exhale. This thin, dome-shaped muscle sits below your lungs and heart. It's attached to your sternum, a bone in the middle of your chest, the bottom of your rib cage and your spine. Overall, the functions of parts of the respiratory are: the nose, it warms, conditions and filters the air we breathe. Pharynx and larynx acts as the passageway for air, food and liquid. Trachea allow passage of inspired and expired air into and out of the lung. Fifth is lungs, allow us to breathe. They bring oxygen into our bodies. Bronchi and bronchioles carry air into our lungs. At the end of the bronchi, the bronchioles carry air to small sacs in our lungs called alveoli. Alveoli, the lungs and the blood exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide during the process of breathing in and breathing out. Diaphragm helps us to inhale and exhale. Breathe in and out.
Ways on how to take care of our respiratory system. First, eating healthy foods. It's necessary to eat healthy foods because it allows our respiratory system to improve its function. Also, it reduces inflammation and protects lung tissues. With healthy foods, it prevents us from getting any respiratory disease, as well as making our body healthy and stronger. Second, exercise regularly. Exercising regularly helps our lungs and heart to be stronger. It increases oxygen levels and strengthens the tissues around our lungs. Third, get vaccinations. With the help of vaccinations, it prevents us from getting any respiratory disease, making our body stronger. Fourth, avoid smoking, vaping and etc. Smoking, vaping, and other forms of vaporizer device that simulates tobacco is bad for our respiratory system. It causes diseases and cancers such as lung cancer, COPD, and etc. Additionally, it can cause death and shorten our life expectancy. Last but not the least, avoid toxins indoor and outdoor. Inhalation of toxins can affect our lungs. It can cause bacteria and toxins to enter our lungs that would lead to diseases. That's why we should avoid toxins indoor and outdoor. Sixth, get annual checkups. Even when you are feeling well, schedule regular checkups with your healthcare practitioner since this can help avoid sickness. This is particularly true for lung diseases, which can occasionally go undiagnosed until they have progressed. Any respiratory problems you may be having should also be reported to your healthcare physician right away. 7th, practice proper personal hygiene. Practicing proper personal hygiene is important not only for yourself but also for the people around you. With the continuous spread of the COVID-19 virus, it's important that people should work hard to help protect one another. Everyone should cover your mouth when you're coughing, especially when in a public space. Of course, you need to follow this up with proper hand washing with soap.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm eating sweets, kiddo. Do you want some?
No thanks. Did you know?
No what?
That if you're eating way too much sugar and your body stops responding properly to insulin, your pancreas starts pumping out even more insulin. Eventually, your overworked pancreas will break down and your blood sugar levels will rise, setting you up for type 2 diabetes.
Wow. You're amazing, kiddo. Thank you for this wonderful information. I'll start avoiding sweets from now on, so that my circulatory system won't be affected.
No problem. Anyway, got to go bye.
Finally, some peace.
The circulatory system. First, what is it? The circulatory system, also known as the cardiovascular system, is responsible for transporting blood, nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hormones, and other essential substances throughout the body. It consists of the heart, blood vessels, arteries, veins, capillaries, and blood. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood through the circulatory system. It has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. Blood vessels. Arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to the tissues, while veins bring deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Capillaries are tiny vessels where gas and nutrient exchange occurs between blood and tissues. Blood is composed of red blood cells, which carry oxygen, white blood cells, which fight infection, platelets, for clotting, and plasma, the liquid part. The circulatory system plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis by delivering oxygen and nutrients to cells and removing waste products, ensuring the body's tissues function properly. Ways on how to take care of the circulatory system. Eat healthy. Eating healthy not only means eating nutritional food, but it also means keeping a healthy and balanced diet. Balanced diet can significantly influence the health of your circulatory system. Consuming nutritious foods can help reduce cholesterol levels and prevent heart disease, a leading cause of death worldwide. Regular exercise. Physical activity strengthens the heart and improves blood flow. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for proper circulation. Dehydration thickens the blood, making it harder to pump, which can lead to poor circulation and an increased risk of blood clots. Stress management. Stress can negatively impact circulation. Relaxation techniques like meditation and deep breathing can help reduce stress and improve blood flow. Consult, and regularly see your doctor. Regularly see your doctor to ensure your health safety. Consult your doctor for the right to do and what do's you should avoid.
What is the importance of taking good care of our respiratory and circulatory system? Let's find out.
Longer, healthier life. Prioritizing circulatory and respiratory system health contributes to longevity, reducing the risk of life-threatening condition and improving overall quality of life. Disease prevention. Proper care of both systems reduces the risk of respiratory infections, heart disease, strokes, and conditions like asthma and COPD. Immune function. The circulatory system helps distribute immune cells, while the respiratory system filters out harmful particles, helping the body fight infections. Mental health. Adequate oxygen supply and proper circulation improve brain function, cognitive abilities, and emotional well-being. Enhanced physical and mental performance. Healthy systems improve stamina, physical endurance, and mental clarity by providing efficient oxygen and nutrient delivery to muscles and the brain.
Thank you for
watching. Remember, your respiratory and circulatory system are vital to your overall health and well-being. So take care of them by staying active, eating healthy, and avoiding harmful habits. Breathe easy, keep your heart strong, and live a healthier, happier life. See you next time!